Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, good morning. Today, my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension. The title of text is The Role of Midwife. In the primary care, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadira Indiani Putri. In this group, there are Adinda Eka Amelia,
Halo guys.
Alfiani Putri Budiman,
Halo guys.
Amalia Kudratun Ilahi,
Halo guys.
and Firda Marcella.
Hello guys.
The first part is going to be explained by Amalia Kudratun Ilahi. Okay, Amal, time and place is yours.
Okay, good morning. Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Amalia Kudratun Ilahi. Now I try to explain about the difference between male and female reproductive organs, like the picture below. Okay, we can see in the picture there are male and female reproductive system. The part are mentioned the one in the picture. In the male and female reproductive system, there are also some similarities. Namely the urinary bladders, pubic symphysis, urethra, anus, and rectum. Okay, first I want to explain the male reproductive organs. Anyone know what this is? Okay, Firda. What this is, Firda? Can be answered.
Urinary bladder.
Yes, urinary bladder. Can you explain something do you know about urinary bladder?
No.
Okay, I will explain urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is part of the urinary system in the human body, serves to store urine until the time it is excreted by the body. Next, number 1. Anyone know what is this? Okay, Alfie, can be answered.
Oke, Amal. Pubic symphysis.
Yes, that's true. Can you explain something do you know about pubic symphysis, Alfie?
No.
Okay, I will explain pubic symphysis. Function of pubic symphysis. 1. Sitting or hanging reproductive organs. 2. Protects the reproductive organs from external influences. 3. Accommodates mature sperm. Do you know, Alfie?
Yes, I know.
Okay, next. Anyone know what is this? Number 3. Okay, Dinda, can be answered.
Erectile tissue.
Yes, that's correct. Can you explain something? Do you know erectile tissue? Okay, I will explain erectile tissue is tissue that resembles a sponge. This tissue can expand and stiffen due to venous congestion. Do you know, Dinda?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Next number. What is this? Next number. What is this? Okay, Nadira. Can be answered.
Penis. Penis?
Yes, penis. Can you explain something do you know about penis?
No, Amal.
Okay, I will explain about penis. Penis serves as a channel for semen and urine. Next, what is this? What is this?
Urethral gland.
gland.
Yes, pseudourethral gland. Next number 6, urethra. Urethra is the current that connects the bladder with the surrounding area associated with the outside of the body. Function in the reproductive system as a flow of seminal fluid. Seminal fluid. Next, testes. What is this testis? The testes are very important organs in the male reproductive system. The function of the testis is to produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. Next, number 8, scrotum. The scrotum is the part of the male reproductive organs that look like a skin pouch and hangs at the base of the penis. Its function is to wrap the testes or testicles. Next, number 9, epididymis. Epididymis is an organ that are that play an important role in the male reproductive system and serves as a place for transportation, maturation, and storage of spermatozoa. Spermatozoa originating from the testes are immature spermatozoa. Next, anyone know what is this?
Anus.
Anus.
Yes, anus. That is true, anus. Anus is a way to get rid of food waste that is not used by the body and gets called feces. Feces. Next, prostate gland. Prostate gland is a walnut-sized gland located between the bladder and penis. The prostate is located directly in front of the leg. Next, what is this?
What's different?
Difference.
Yes, first difference. First difference serves to transport sperm from the epididymis to the sperm sac. What is this?
Rectum.
Yes,
Rectum. Rectum.
rectum. The function of the rectum is as a temporary storage warehouse for feces or defecation. VAD. Next, what is this?
Seminal vesicle.
Seminal vesicle.
Yes, that's true. Seminal vesicles are a pair of accessory glands located behind the bladder above the prostate gland. It has an important function for the male reproductive system, namely producing and storing semen to maintain sperm quality. Okay, this is a picture again male, reproductive system male. Next, female. Next, female. What is this?
Ovary.
Yes,
Ovary.
ovary. Ovary, the size of a walnut, is part the female reproductive system. Part of the female reproductive system, the ovaries function to produce egg each month starting from puberty to menopause and products the hormones estrogen and progesterone. Next, what is this?
Urinary bladder.
Yes, urinary bladder. Next, what is this?
Pubic symphysis.
Public symphysis.
Yes, that's true. Public synthesis. Next, what is this?
Clitoris.
Clitoris.
Yes, that's true. Clitoris. The clitoris is a small erectile tissue similar to the male penis, contain many sensory nerves and blood vessels, so it's very sensitive. It's very sensitive. Its location is anterior to the vestibule and nerves. Next, what is
Urethra.
this? Yes, that's true. Urethra. Urethra, the place where urine comes out, is located under the clitoris. Its function is to drain urine. Yes. What is this?
Vagina orifice.
Vagina orifice.
Yes, vaginal orifice. Next, what is this?
Vagina.
Yes.
Vagina.
Can you explain something? Do you know vagina?
No.
Okay, I will explain about vagina. The vagina is part of the female reproductive system. The vagina acts a connector to the uterus with the labia and vulva as entry points. At the inner end, the vagina is directly connected to the cervix and to the next of the womb. Next, number 9. Labia, labia majora. What is this labia majora?
No.
I don't know.
Okay, I will explain about the labia majora. Labia majora, which is a continuation of mons veneris, oval and protruding, originating from mons veneris and runs downward and backward. These tulips at the bottom meet to form the perineum, separating the anus from the vulva. Next, labia minora. Labia minora is a fold on the inside of the big lips without hair at the top of the clitoris. The small lips meet to form the prepuce of the clitoris, and at the bottom they meet to form the frenulum of the clitoris. These small lips surround the vaginal opening. Vaginal opening. Next, what is this?
Rectum.
Yes, anus.
Anus.
Anus is a way to get rid of food wasted that is not used by the body and gas called feces. Next, what is this?
Rectum.
Yes, rectum.
Rectum.
Rectum, the function of the rectum is a temporary storage warehouse for feces or defecation, BAB. Next, cervix. What is this cervix?
We don't know.
No.
Okay, I will explain about the cervix. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that is connected to vagina. One of the functions of the cervix is to produce mucus or mucus. Mucus help move sperm from the vagina to the uterus during sexual intercourse. Next, what is this?
Uterus.
Uterus.
Yes, uterus. Next, what is this? What is this?
Fallopian tube.
Jantung.
Fallopian tube.
Yes, that's true. Fallopian tube. Can you explain something? Do you know about fallopian tube?
No.
No.
Yes, I will explain about fallopian tube. This channel serves as a place for the release of sorry. This channel serves as a place for the release of the egg from the ovary to the uterus at the time of ovulation, and as a meeting place for the egg and sperm during the fertilization process. Okay, that's the difference between male and female organs. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's an explain from me.
Sorry, Nadia.
Nadi.
Unmute.
Okay. Thank you, Ama. The next part is going to be explained by Adinda Eka Amelia. Okay,
Okay,
Adinda.
thank you, moderator. Okay, thank you, moderator. Good morning. My name is Adinda Camelia. Now here I will read about reproductive system. The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. Many non-living substances such as fluids, hormones, and pheromones are also important accessories to the reproductive system. The system of organs involved with the reproduction of an organism, especially sexual reproduction. It consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females and the testes and penis in males. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. Other systems in the body, such as the endocrine and urinary systems, work continuously to maintain homeostasis for survival of the individual. An individual may live a long, healthy, and happy life without producing offspring. But if the species is to continue, at least some individuals must produce offspring. Within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions: to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormones. Next, I try to explain about the main idea of the first paragraph. The main idea of the first paragraph is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work for the purpose of sexual reproduction. We can see in the first sentence of the paragraph. Next, I try to explain about the main idea of the second paragraph. The main idea of the second paragraph is the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. We can see in the first sentence of the paragraph.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. I would like to convey the conclusion of the text. It can be concluded that the reproductive system is a sexual system between two opposite sex and also for the survival of an individual because they have a free. Okay, thank you, Dinda. I read it to Dinda.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Um, Answer the following question based on the text. What is a reproductive system? Anion want to answer question number one. Ada yang ingin mau coba menjawab nomor satu? Oke, Amal. Silakan jawab nomor satu.
Okay, what is a reproductive system? The reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction.
That's true. Thank you, Amal. Next, number two. Alfiani. Silakan jawab nomor dua.
Okay, Dinda. Number 2, mention some important accessories to the reproductive system. Fluids, hormones, and pheromones are important accessories to the reproductive system.
Okay, thank you, Alfi. That's true. Next, number three. Nadira.
What does it refer to in sentence line 5 paragraph 1? The organ sexual reproduction.
Yes, that's true. Thank you, Nadira. Next,
Sa-
Firda.
What is the major function of reproductive system? The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species.
Okay, thank you, Firda. That's true. Number five, mention the other four function of reproductive system. For function of reproductive system is to produce egg and sperm cells to transport and sustain these cells to nurture the developing offspring and to produce hormones. Okay, thank you. That's an explanation from me.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. The next part is going to be explained by Alfiani Putri Budiman. Okay, Alfi, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Good morning, my name is Alfiani. Now I will explain and mention some parts of the reproduction system. The female and male reproductive system are different and have their respective function. Now, we will discuss female reproduction first. Anyone want to mention? Okay, Amalia, can you answer the 7 parts of the reproductive organs?
Okay, LP. Ovary, urinary bladder,
Yeah,
pubic symphysis,
yeah,
clitoris,
yeah,
urethra,
yeah,
vagina orifice,
yeah.
vagina.
Okay, thank you, Amal. That's true. Um, anyone? Okay, Nadira, can you answer the 7 parts of the reproductive organs?
Labio majora, labio minora, anus, rectum, cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes.
True. Thank you, Nadira. Okay, guys, you can
Welcome.
listen because I will explain the meaning and function of the part. Listen to me, guys. Ovary. Bulboretral gland, urethra, and testis. Okay, it's great, Firda. Okay, next. Ovary is a gland that produces sex hormones, and ovary in woman whose function is to produce egg and hormone. Urinary bladder is a hollow organ that is part of the human urinary system located in the lower urinary tract and serves to temporarily hold urine before it is excreted. Pubic symphysis serves to uphold our body parts as a whole, as well as components that are in charge of regulation movement in the body. Clitoris. The clitoris is a sex organ in the vagina that has a pure function for sexual stimulation. Okay, next, urethra. The urethra is the passageway between the diaphragma and the outside of the body, allowing urine to be expelled from the body. Vagina orifice. Vagina is a canal that connects the cervix with the outside of the body, and the vagina is also the way out for the baby during normal delivery. Labia majora is part of the female reproductive organ called the vulva, shaped like two large folds outside the vagina. Labia minora, thinner and smaller inner vagina lip. Anus, it is a short tube at the end of the rectum and the passageway for feces to pass. Rectum, cervix or neck of the uterus is the part of the uterus that is connected to the vagina. Uterus is an inverted pear-shaped muscular organ, the female reproductive system, located between the bladder and rectum that serves to feed and accommodate the fertilized egg until it becomes a fat or until it is ready to be born. Fallopian tube serves as a place for the egg to pass from the ovary to the uterus during ovulation and as a meeting place for the egg and sperm during the fertilization process. Okay, now we will discuss the male reproductive system. Anyone want to mention? Okay, Firda, can you answer the 7 parts of the reproductive organ?
Urinary bladder, public symphysis, erectile tissue, penis, bulboretral gland, urethra, and testis.
Okay, it's great, Firda. Okay, next. Uh, Adinda, can you answer the 7 parts of the reproductive organs?
Therapy, scrotum, epididymis, anus, prostate gland, vas deferens, rectum, seminal vesicle.
It's great. Thank you, Dinda. Okay, now I will explain the meaning and function of the part. Listen to me, guys. First, urinary bladder. Collect urine produced by the kidneys and excretes it through the process of urination. 2. Pubic symphysis serves to avoid our body part as a wall. As a wall is component there are in charge of regulation movement in the body. 3. Erectile tissue is a spongy tissue. Penis serves to excrete urine and maintain water level in the body. Bulboretal gland is a pair of small exocrine glands found in the male reproductive system. Urethra, testis. The testis function to produce sperm and the hormone testosterone, which plays an important role in male sexual development and function. Scrotum. The scrotum functions as a covering for the testes or testicles. Epididymis. The epididymis functions as a place for transportation, maturation, and storage of spermatozoa. Anus is a way to get rid of food waste that is not used by the body. Prostate gland function to secrete fluid that protect and nourishes sperm. Vas deferens serves as storage site for spermatozoa. Rectum serves to receive and store waste from the column until the time comes to be extracted by the body through the body. And then seminal vesicles function to produce and store semen to maintain sperm quality. This is the image formed on the female and male reproduction. Okay, thank you. That's an explanation from me.
Okay, thank you, Alfie. The next part is going to be explained by Firda Marcella. Okay, Firda, time and place is yours.
Good morning. Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Firda Marcella. Now, how reproductive system work? The male reproductive system consists of two major parts, the testes, where sperm are produced, and the penis. According to Merck manuals, the penis and urethra belong to both the urinary and reproductive system in males. The testes are carried in an external pouch known as the scrotum, where they normally remain slightly cooler than body temperature to facilitate sperm production. The external structure of the female reproductive system include the clitoris, labia minora, labia majora, and Bartholin's gland. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the major internal organs of the female reproductive system include the vagina and uterus, which as the reproductive foramen, and the ovaries, which produce the females ova. The vagina in attached to the uterus through the cervix, while the fallopian tubes connect the uterus to the ovaries in response to hormonal change. One ovum or egg or more in the case of multiple breeds is released and set down the fallopian tube during ovulation. If not fertilized, this egg is can anion can anion answer the point? Apakah ada yang bisa menjawab titik-titik ini? Oke, Dinda.
The testes were sperm.
Yes. Oke, thank you, Dinda.
Oke, Amal.
The testes are carried in an external pouch known as the scrotum.
Yes. Oke, thank you, Amal. Oke, Alpi. Oke, Nadira.
Service?
No.
Glenn?
Yes. Oke, thank you, Nadira.
Sorry
Welcome.
guys. Alfiani have bad signal.
Okay, Dinda, no problem.
No problem. Okay. The vagina is attached to the uterus to the cervix. In response to hormonal change, one ovum. Okay, thank you. That's an explanation from me.
The discussion has been finished. Now, I would like to convey the conclusion of the text. It can be concluded that the difference between male and female reproductive organ is different. However, there are some similarities in sexual organs, such as urinary bladder, rectum, anus, urethra, and pelvic symphysis. The reproductive system is a sexual system between two opposite types whose function is for the survival of an individual because they have offspring, and the fertilization process works when sperm enters the uterus and produces an egg cell that will grow into a baby. Well, if it is not fertilized, This egg will come out at the same time as menstruation. Okay, thank you guys all for the discussion for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.